So Venturi started to be a full electric car manufacturer like more than nearly 15 years ago. So we've done prototypes, electric, 100% electric prototypes, sports car, utility vans for the postal service, and racing was the last thing we didn't do. But because of the experience we had when the Formula E started, it was like logical to be part of the championship.
We were the really first to be trying to be part of Formula E. The championship, it happened like a dream.
And Formula E is a good combination for Venturi because it's a link between the projects. We used to develop full electric cars, and in Formula E now we can develop the electric powertrain. So we already did some powertrain for prototypes and for a land speed record program. The Professor Rizzoni was head of the Ohio State University Center for Automotive Research. Like a long time ago, Gildo met him and they were both fans of land speed racing. They did the first vehicle with the fuel cell, then the next vehicle was with batteries. And you need to push the limit on the motors, you need to push the limit on the batteries. We work with students.
We arrived with our motor, our gearbox, and we could put it into their chassis and work together. It's a beautiful story.
And once a year we can go to Bonneville to race. So we are also developing a polar vehicle. It's been initiated by the Prince Albert II of Monaco after he returns from his trip to Antarctica.
It's an electric vehicle, but as you might know, electricity and low temperature are not going together. We supply to the Prince Albert. It's a very fantastic project.
So today the scientists, they go on protected areas to take samples, but because it's very cold and because the areas need to stay clean, they can't go to the area with the gas engine. So they need to park a few kilometers away and then they need to walk by minus 40 degrees. So the idea is to have a clean energy vehicle, zero emission, to go closer, to avoid the scientists to walk by this temperature. Each project we did was to prove something different. So the land speed record program is to show performance for sure. Then the Antarctica is more on the temperature. Everybody says that the battery can't resist cold temperature. Okay, we want to go to Antarctica and prove that it's more than resisting, it's working fine. Then you've got Formula E, for sure it's performance and it's racing. We can do as good as other series. On all the teams, we are the only one, not just only racing or not just only a car manufacturer, but doing both in electric. We've tried nearly everything and we're still trying to do more.
I mean, there is so much effort. For the 18 years we passed serving the postal service, serving all the different things we visited with some of the success of electric mobility.
I mean, I'm very happy to be part of the team, be part of the championship. It's very rewarding to see that and to feel that.